The pigeon won't say the ABCs. Letters and pictures by Mo Willems Workshop.
Do I have to spell it out for you?
The pigeon won't say the ABCs. He has at least 26 reasons and excuses why not, from absolutely no way to zero chance. Do you think the pigeon will say the ABCs?
Hey friends, before we begin our exciting read aloud story, please subscribe to our channel by tapping the subscribe button below. Thanks!
And keep reading!
I will not say the ABCs because A. Achoo. I have an alphabet allergy. Also B. I am busy. C and D. I cannot. I have a bus to drive. E and F. This is embarrassing. I forgot my license. But I still won't say the ABCs because G. I have somewhere to go. H. I am getting a haircut. I, J, and K. I am just kidding. I do not have hair, but L, M. Let me just say N and O. No. P. Psst. I do not know what comes after the letter P. Q, R, S. Quick. I am really struggling. What comes after P? Is it the letter 5? T, U. Saying the ABCs is totally unfair! V, W, X, Y, and Z. I vote we play the xylophone with this yellow zebra instead.
Let's rock!
A, B, C, D.
Hey, I thought you were not going to say the ABCs.
Why say the ABCs when you can sing them?
A brilliant conclusion.
The end.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe to our channel by hitting the big subscribe button below. And check out more fun stories on our channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share our video with friends and family.